24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Picture Comprehension. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Picture comprehension is an essential component of reading. Learning objective. Students should be able to describe a picture in a text. Introduction. Ask the students if they like to see an interesting picture. Motivate and make them curious to say different sentences about the picture. Now show the picture and ask them what they see in the picture. Guide the students to describe the picture as a park, a boy playing with the ball, a girl running, colorful. Read. Write the following sentences on the board regarding the picture and read it with students. This picture is beautiful. It has many colors. We can see children playing. There are 2 girls and 2 boys in the picture. One boy has a bicycle and one boy has a ball. The 3rd boy is running. The girl is happy. They all are happy. Recognition. When doing picture comprehension, always ask 2 types of questions. Close-ended. Limit the answer to mostly yes or no. For example, is the color of the shirt red? How many students are there in the picture? Etc. Open-ended. Give chance to think and give answer. For example, would you like to play outside? What do you do in the park? Etc. Review. Encourage the students to do picture comprehension. Call 2 or 3 students one by one and ask them to talk about their favorite title of a textbook. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.